Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, saya I'm Miss Dayanti from Guided Inquiry Learning Group. Will present my document. Next. This is my chapter design. I'll talk about the chemical bond, but the objective is students able to analyze the chemical bond formation process. So I'll talk about ionic bond. Objective is students able to analyze the formation process of ionic bond. Okay, this is the chapter design. You can see in the future mapping that I made. In the opening, orientation, teacher grade students, check attendance, and prepare the physical and physical condition for begin the learning. I mean, this is we can ask them to take the rubbish or trash around them. And then a perception for a learning ionic bond. I will recall the material about configuration electron because it will relate to the matter of the ionic bond formation process. And then I will lead them to think about the relationship around human or mankind. I mean, the meaning of bond in the human side, human aspect. So they will active and reply it as screen, as in the screen, and then I will give them the motivation of bond. I mean, they will be grateful, become Muslim or such as chemical bond occur in opposite charges, as humans normally we like with our opposite gender. And then orientation, I will let them know about the chemical bond, because bond really talk really talk about bond, and I have to give them the prior knowledge for the what types of chemical bond. There are 3 chemical bond, and then I'll make specific to the ionic bond. So I'll give them the problem. You can see 1, 2, 3 there, and for the for exploration, I will give them the handout to make them di atas B. Yeah, here. I will give them handout by dividing them into several groups. So they have to discuss and read about that handout that I give. After that, for concept formation, in the handout, I give them some question. So they have to apa? They have to answer it, and maybe there are many dubious or question around them. So I will come around them and help them out by giving a little explanation. After that, for application syntax, uh, because the little explanation in the concept formation, I will give them apa kayak lebih menyebar explanation itu kayak lebih luas jangkauan explanationnya, dan membuat mereka ingin bertanya lagi gitu. Jika tidak ada pertanyaan, I will give them the apa question more like formation process of CaCl2 and KBr, and with limiting time, and then they have to solve them and present it in the class by closer, and then students have to conclude what ionic bond formation process, what have talk in that meeting. After the conclusion reach out, we close the meeting. Next, because the meeting, and give them homework, and give them homework to make them more understand in their house, I mean, and then deliver the material what are gonna talk to the next meeting. This is my lesson design. For the feature mapping, I make them. I make the opening about the relationship between mankind. But if there is any more time, I will relate them to the like a stone here. There is a stone, there is a sand which will be bind with another sand, and become bigger, and then forms a stone, a big stone like that. In the the main activity, we will gonna talk about the how the formation process of ionic bond, and like what is ion. I will write in the board like Na plus and Cl mean like that. Because Cl it means ion, not natural atom, right? And then for exploration, you can see the similar way like I write in the above page in the future mapping, I mean. So in the closing, it also same with closing, and my lesson plan also almost similar with my future mapping. There is opening, I will prepare them like that, an activity. So is there any question or suggestion or critic from you, my friend? How about OP? Do you have any critics for me, Fabi and Yaya? Or do you need time to read my document?
Ichi, I wanna ask Ichi about your assessment.
Okay, OP.
um, what the kind of assessment you use in the before we discuss for the assessment. Um, I wanna uh ask you about the closing. Please, you can share the closing. What the closing statement? Okay. Yes. Homework via give them homework via WA gini WhatsApp group. Yes.
Yes, OP. Insya Allah akan terjadi seperti itu.
How about the system you're using from this? Because yeah, I still confused about that.
What do you mean here, OP? Which assessment?
Yeah. How about the system about your homework? And it
Oh,
this have the
objective,
yeah.
like
This have
objective as
uh, this have relation in the assessment. So can you explain to how the system you using, because in use WA group kan, jadi di sini nggak dijelaskan
oh,
juga bentuk apa,
it
atau hanya
seems
sekedar penyaluran soal aja WA group ini, atau
ya
mereka.
penyaluran soal aja. Kayak I give them a document consists of objective question about the ionic bond, and they will ask them in as their homework, and it will be a penugasan assessment. Do you still confused about that?
Ya, assignment ya.
Oh yeah, assignment. Yeah, assignment. Yes, right.
I wanna ask, yes, yes, assignment. I agree with that. You using a worksheet from the discussion group for a student. Ici
Mm-mm.
menggunakan LKS.
Handout P.
Yes.
I give them handout.
Okay.
For KS, maybe it will be a reference for them.
Yes. Different. So, apa metode yang digunakan itu apa sih? Bukan model. Misalnya kalau di kelas itu ceramah, kan mereka diskusi kan.
Yeah.
Jadi yang
Mm-mm.
didiskusikan itu biasanya kan always have worksheet gitu. Mereka ada worksheetnya. Atau di handout itu ada masalah-masalah yang perlu mereka selesaikan atau bagaimana?
Ya ada itu Pi. Jadi kan I give them a problem in the uh, problem Luna. Step itu, I give them a handout. Handout consists of material, and then there are some question. I mean, like exercise, like they will make the formation process of structural levies of NaCl, KBr, and others. Like they exercise their they will they will train. Pokoknya mereka berlatih membuat struktur lewes itu, senyawa itu, kayak itu, Opi. Dan terbentuklah ini ikatan ion kayak gitu.
Oke. Ci, can you geser ke atas, Ci? Up to your set screen. I wanna ask about the future mapping. If you student can apa ya, not excited but their discussion, what should you do? Yes.
If they are not active in the discussion, I have an imagination, and I have right in this future mapping. I will come around them and ask them apa di sana ada rasanya. Coba lihat yang di atas aplikasi di concept formation. Kok. Teacher come to the students by asking what happened with their mood and guide them to understand the material given. Okay. I will come around them and help them out. Jadi kan mungkin ada saja yang termenung-menung, ada yang diam-diam, ada yang kayak pokoknya nggak fokus to the material that will talk that meeting. So I think I can go there and masuk ke dalam ranah dia gitu, kayak apa ya, apaan sih, pokoknya gitu. Atau or do you have any suggestion? Pokoknya that I thought until this today is I will give them a simulation or what will they something that will attract them by asking them one by one. Or do you have any suggestion for that? Maybe all of us there is a discussion, right? So we can discuss it here. If the students do not pay attention to us, to teacher, I mean.
Yes.
What about you guys?
Because it's karena condition like that, because apa ya, jika kita memprediksikan kalau materi-materi sebelum ini mereka diskusi itu kan mereka itu kadang bosan,
bored.
Jadi, yes, ini prediksi ya, karena kita future mapping. Nah, kadang mereka tuh bosan. Jadi makanya waktu tadi Opi nanya kalau misalnya diskusi itu tidak excited lagi gitu. Jadi kalau saran Opi sih mereka tuh lebih ke apa ya, because it is ada bond, ikatan kimia itu lebih ke menganalisis, karena kita punya kalau biasanya di sekolah itu ada yang bulat-bulat itu mah yang untuk demonstrasi, bukan demonstrasi. Nah, jadi siswa itu bisa nggak harus menyelesaikan worksheet gitu. Jadi mereka bisa aja demonstrasi bentuk ikatan. Kan ada kan apa ICI kan ikatan kimia. Nah, ini bentuk ikatan kovalen tunggal ini demonstrasinya. Jadi siswa itu dia tetap berkelompok, tapi nggak apa ya, mereka orientasi masalahnya itu dengan cara demonstrasi gitu, atau nanti pas di verifikasinya mereka mendemonstrasikan, itu kan lebih gimana ya, excited siswa karena mereka itu dari kelas 10, lebih ke pasti menyenangkan suatu hal yang baru bagi mereka. Kalau misalnya kita hanya anak-anak student, you do discussion in your group, you read book, please, itu kan cenderung membuat mereka bosan. Jadi lebih ke nanti tuh disajikan masalah melalui gambar atau video, kemudian siswa itu kita kasih ada alat peraga, namanya alat peraga untuk ikatan-ikatan kimia itu ada. Jadi mereka itu nanti silahkan susun itu gitu. Jadi yang mereka tuh menyelesaikan itu, silahkan susun itu masalahnya ini gimana cara selesainya. Ketika ini disambung, ini membentuk satu ikatan, berarti ini ikatan lengkap satu, berarti kayak ini bentuknya. Ikatan lengkap dua, kovalen kayak ini, ikatan lengkap tiga kayak gini. Jadi kayak mereka tuh udah tahu ini bentuk ikatannya itu seperti ini. Ada tuh alat peraganya kalau di sekolah-sekolah disediakan. Itu
Oh
sih.
ya, interupsi Opi. Ya, interupsi Opi. Maybe it refer to the next KD. Tapi setelah Opi give me a stimulation, I think something like I give them atom that contain of the electron in the around the inti atom. Jadi ada nukleus gitu, terus ada nanti lintasan-lintasan elektron itu. Nanti pas ketika dia mau pengennya 8, dia itu harus meloncat ke sini untuk jadi ion gitu kan?
Yes.
You give me a stimulation to be innovative. Thank you, Opti. But the shape electron that you shape of kayak polimakromolekul, apa sih itu namanya yang iya peragaan
peraga atom itu ada gitu. Aku
ya lupa sih namanya. Itu tuh itu lebih ke KD, selanjutnya Opi kayak KD shape of molecule. Jadi itu bukan ranah HICI. Jadi awalnya sih berpikir itu pakai wijen gitu. Tapi karena wijen kentang karena itu ranah yang lain, jadi nggak terpikir itu. Tapi setelah Opi ngasih itu, jadi stimulate HICI for like I said before.
Ya,
thank you.
Ya, tapi ngasih sarannya tuh gini, karena itu berhubungan dengan materi selanjutnya. Jadi kita itu bukan bahas bentuk molekulnya, kita bahas ikatannya, karena kita ICI menjelaskan ikatan kan, ikatan kimia. Ya kan?
Yes.
Nah, jadi kita bahas bukan bentuk molekulnya, bentuk ikatan itu seperti apa gitu. Ikatan yang ini tuh kayak apa bentuknya. Jadi ikatannya itu yang kita yang dijelaskan oleh murid melalui alat-alat itu gitu. Itu yang terbayang. Tapi oke, Ici. Semangat, Ici.
Thank you, Opi. I think something from you. Okay. Is there any suggestion, great idea, guys? Do you have any suggestion, Feby? Yaya? Or Opi? Do you have any addition for me?
Ichi, I have the question.
Okay, Yaya. Time is yours.
Berarti Ichi ngasihnya itu handbook ya ke students-nya?
Iya. Handout namanya. Ya
Oh,
gitulah.
handout, handbook, handout. Berarti tiap pertemuan berarti dikasih Ci atau satu materi, misalnya satu KD, handoutnya ada satu gitu, atau tiap pertemuan itu?
Oh, ini kan baru di spesifiknya satu TLO baru kan kita buat micro teaching ini. Jadi menurut dia satu KD itu satu handout aja gitu. Jadi
gitu ya.
misalnya satu KD itu 2 pertemuan, satu KD itu 2 pertemuan itu satu handout aja. Jadi pas itu dikasih gitu. Cuman karena ini hanya membahas satu TLO, jadi sih ngasih handoutnya itu nanti ionic bond aja awalnya. Jadi karena nanti akan satu KD, maka satu KD buat itu. Menurut teman-teman gimana?
Oh gitu ya. Menurut Najmi juga gitu sih, Ci. Bagusnya itu emang satu KD, satu topik aja gitu kan. Jadi lebih terarah gitu.
Oh ya, jadi kan karena kita ini satu TLO, menurut teman-teman ini buat saja satu TLO aja lah, satu KD aja. Handout-nya ya.
Iya, kalau satu KD lebih bagus malah kalau menurutnya gitu.
Iya, lebih spread out kan. Okay. Thank you. Is there any question?
No, Ci.
Okay. Thank you for your attention, participation, and contribution for my for my document. Here, guys. I just want to close this discussion. Once again, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.